Indonesia has a huge, successful fishing industry. Everyone wants it to last forever. But with modern technology, we can catch so many fish that they could disappear from our seas. If we do that, the fishing industry will collapse.
Itu sama saja dengan bunuh diri, karena ikannya makin habis. Lalu apa yang akan kita tangkap?
Clearly, we need to monitor how many fish are left in the sea. So when fish stocks are dangerously low, we can limit fishing. This lets fish stocks recover. Catching fish becomes easier and more profitable once again. But getting accurate data on fish stocks is a huge job for Indonesia. No one can do it alone, it takes teamwork. The government, the fishing industry and researchers need to work together to collect the data they all need to make fishing sustainable. And this is exactly what happens in iFish. iFish is a powerful new way for the fishing industry, the government and researchers to work together to collect accurate data on fish stocks, enter the data into a central database, and share the data with decision makers and the industry.
With iFish, we develop a platform where people can go to and learn about the status of the fish stock.
You can see iFish in action in Labuan Lombok. A boat lands its catch of tuna at the landing site. Immediately, specially trained enumerators measure the catch and interview the boat's captain. Johrin is one of them.
Kita mengukur panjang ikan per ekor, serta mencari informasi tentang berat dan kualitas ikan, serta mencatatnya dalam formulir yang sederhana. Kita tidak mengukur semua ikan, hanya subsampel, sehingga proses penanganan ikan oleh pelaku usaha tidak terhambat. Sampel yang kami ukur cukup banyak dan mewakili total penangkapan. Secara statistik, hal ini sudah valid.
The average length of fish in the catch is a good indicator for the exploitation status.
Longer fish are older and more mature.
In extreme cases, you may find the catch barely has any mature animals anymore, so there are only juveniles left. And at that stage, of course, the fishery is in a critical status.
iFish also collects useful data on how the fish were caught.
Enumerator lain mewawancarai kapten untuk mengetahui informasi seperti penggunaan es, BBM, serta daerah penangkapan.
Again, everything is recorded on a paper form. So what's done with all this data? Well, the enumerator enters the data into a standard Excel spreadsheet and takes it on a memory stick to an internet cafe. Here he browses to the iFish website, selects the file, and uploads it to the iFish secure server. This automatically adds all the newly collected data to the iFish database.
And at that stage, the information sharing begins.
80 kilometers away in Mataram, Pak Aminullah can log into iFish and see reports on tuna trends that include the data collected at the landing site this morning.
Dengan adanya iFish ini, kita tahu kondisi sesungguhnya, terutama ikan tuna cakalang itu. Tergambar di situ mulai per bulan, per harinya juga ada, berapa pendaratannya, berapa kapal yang mendarat. Murni, valid gitu kan, realistis di lapangan kan. Hingga dinamika itu menjadi suatu motivasi kita, bagaimana ekosistem itu kita kelola.
Apart from the government, researchers and traders can also log on to iFish and get the data they need in the format that suits them best.
Kalau kesan saya cukup bagus iFish ini, karena pendataan semua lengkap.
All subscribed users can access the same database, but what they will see depends a little bit on their needs.
What no user can see is precise catch locations. These are measured to the nearest 60 nautical miles only, so no one can use iFish data to find the best places to catch fish. And all users only get the data they need to collaborate better in managing fisheries. Anova was the first company to join iFish.
Anova membantu IMEX dalam program iFish untuk mengambil data.
Currently we have 6 locations where we collect data in the eastern part of Indonesia. 25 people are employed there to collect data on a daily basis at the landing sites.
Hanover does all this to help the government get the data it needs to manage fisheries. And this kind of partnership is what iFish is all about.
It's not just software, it is also a way of working together. It is based on software as well as what we call a data collection committee. And in this data collection committee we bring people together who work together on the same fishery.
Now they have the right data, they can sit down together to discuss the best decisions to keep enough fish in the sea so fishing stays profitable. And this is the best thing about iFish. At its heart, it's a vehicle for the government, researchers and the industry to work together to make fisheries sustainable in Indonesia. It's an important step forward. And as more fishing companies, associations and local governments get involved in iFish, the future of Indonesian fisheries looks a little brighter.
Rasio alat tangkap sama armada yang tersedia dengan stok asesmen itu sudah nggak imbang lagi. Nah inilah yang bisa membantu.
I am convinced that if government, researchers and private sector work together, we will end up with sustainable fisheries.
Yang paling penting adalah bahwa ini demi kebaikan bangsa Indonesia.
Proses iFish sangat sederhana dan gampang diterapkan.
Nah kalau ini diterapkan secara nasional di 11 WWP, luar biasa untuk data kita. Fisheries management yang sesungguhnya, yang sustainable itu bisa kita terapkan.